Growing up, my friend and I used to ride our bikes 2 miles each way to collect basketball cards. And I just want to show you something real quick here. This front page, I've got a bunch of Jordan cards. We didn't really think about how much they were worth back then, back in my day. But as you can see, all of these are different Jordan cards. This Iverson card is actually worth $15 at one point, and we thought we would hang on to them forever and make a bunch of money. But in this video, I want to show you how you can make money online with basketball cards like this. There are a few different ways, some proven methods, some, I would say, outside of the box thinking that I want to show you and reveal to you so that you can hopefully start making money online with cards just like this. This is actually Jason Kidd, one of my favorite players. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can monetize some of these old basketball cards. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, I'm going to show you a few different methods, a few different tips and tricks that you can take advantage of to make money online with basketball cards. Now, I actually have tons of those folders like that. I have boxes with cards, and it could actually make some decent income if you took care of them. Now, taking care of them is a different story for a different day. What we're going to do right now is actually look at some opportunities that you may or may not be aware of. Now, the first one, and I think the most obvious one that everybody is familiar with, is simply just hopping over to eBay or an online site where you can buy and sell different cards. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're obviously going to want to buy cards from a hobby shop. Those are usually a little bit more expensive when you get them, a little bit more worth more. You can buy them from Target too, or any place, Walmart, Best Buy, Kmart if you have one, and purchase them there and post them individually on eBay. You can also sell boxes. For example, during the pandemic, this box, and hopefully you can see it on the screen here, this box was going for maybe 2 or 3 times what it was actually worth. You simply go over to Target and you make nice with the people that are filling these different cards, you buy them, and then you post them online. Again, I think those are the easy, obvious ways that you can make money, simply flipping them. In my opinion, it is kind of a tedious task because you've got to go out to Target, you've got to wait in line, you potentially have to fight with people in order to get cards. I think a better way is actually maybe starting a blog. Now, the cool thing is you can start a blog. If we look at this one right here, rookiecards.com, and you can monetize this blog in a few different ways. This person, team of people probably, have cards on all sorts of stuff. If we click on blog here, you can see they're talking about just about everything. Their last post was from 2020, but what you could do is you could create content on individual rookies. So rookies that have the potential of blowing up and gaining a lot of traction. You could create content on the cards, where to buy the cards, the most highest ranked cards. For example, if we go over to Ahrefs, which is a keyword research tool that I use to help me find keywords, right here it says Joe Burrow rookie card. It's searched 5,000 times per month. It has a keyword difficulty of 7, which is not difficult. Now, the keyword difficulty is a scale between 0 and 100. The closer you get to 100, the more difficult it's going to be. For example, RC Cards has a keyword difficulty of 56. So you could create a blog, or you could create a series of blog posts about Joe Burrow rookie cards. And you could do this for any and every rookie. You could also create content about people in the combine. So you could talk about potential opportunities there. But if we look through here, Trey Lance rookie card, it has a keyword difficulty of 0. So you could start a blog about Trey Lance rookie card. In fact, we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it right over here. Hit enter. You could create content about different things that you need to know about this type of rookie card, Trey Lance rookie card, and you can rank at the top page of Google. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how can you make money with this? You can make money in a few different ways. You can make money with ads right on your website. For example, this website here, sportscardresearch.com, they could work with a company called Google AdSense, and they could have ads automatically placed on the website. And so what happens is people will click on those ads and you can make money. Another way that they can make money, and I think this is what they're actually doing, is they can make money with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. What they should be doing, hopefully, is they are an affiliate for different companies over on eBay. So it says shop on eBay. If I were to click on this link and purchase this Trey Lance rookie card, they could earn a commission. But you could also be an affiliate for something like Amazon as well, because you can buy cards. You can also buy different accessories like the book that I just showed you. You can buy inserts. There's all sorts of stuff that people need. And you just put your affiliate links inside the blog post. People will click on the links, go over to Amazon, and you can make money off of the entire cart. So basically what that means is, let's say someone comes over and buys this 2021 Panini NBA Donruss Basketball Blaster Pack. They buy that, but then they also need to buy the inserts, and they may need to buy a book, and they may need to buy, 5 other things. You can earn a commission off of the entire cart or the entire purchase. And so it could be very easy to make $100 per day simply just getting people to click on a link that they are already interested in. So if we look at this, I'm over on Amazon. So for example, let's say I buy this 2020 Panini Prism, the entire thing here. I buy the book for the regular boring cards. I buy the card holders for the special autographs or something that's elite. And then I can make money. You can see here, this could start helping you build, but this is just another way. And you can do this with all sorts of stuff. We can just do a little bit of keyword research, figure out what your customers want to know. In this case, they want to know about different rookie cards. You can talk about vintage cards. So maybe I had a Michael Jordan card in there. We could create a blog about all of the different types of Michael Jordan cards, from the ones that are worth 1 penny all the way up to the ones that are worth up to thousands of dollars. We could also do something like Beckett. If you're old school like me, you know that Beckett used to have a little index of how much cards were worth. And so what you could do is we could go over to Google and type in how much is, we'll say, how much is Trey Lance? Is it Trey Lance? Hopefully that's not the singer. Trey Lance basketball card worth. As you can see, people are, it should be football, but you can see that people are asking this type of question, and you could simply create content. If we look at sportlots.com, they're answering this exact question. They're going through and they're cataloging how much each card is worth. And you could do the same thing. If you look, this is a really easy, boring, not too difficult to make type of website, but you can see they're linking over to their YouTube channel. They're making money in a few different ways, potentially with affiliate marketing. And so this actually brings me to the next way that you can make money. This channel has a YouTube channel where they're talking about basically getting people back over to their website. But what you could do is you could record yourself unboxing videos. Look at this. There are tons of these channels out here that are getting thousands, if not millions of views simply unboxing. Let's take a look at this one. Unfortunately, this is a Packers YouTube channel. They have 90,000 subscribers, and they are unboxing newer cards. So cards in 2021. They just unboxed one back 16 hours ago, and they're getting tons of views. But what you can do is you can type in the name of the cards that you have. For example, let's take a look at this optic here. So this Donruss optic baseball card. We can just type in like Donruss optic baseball card, and we hit the space bar. You can see people are asking different questions about it. They're talking about the mega box, the blaster, the hobby box, which I think this is a hobby box. So we're just going to click on this one, and then they're asking even more questions. This is a blaster, I think. But anyway, if we go hobby box and we hit the space bar again, people will want to see the unboxing. So if we do unboxing, and if we take a look at this top result here, 3.9 thousand views from 5 months ago. And what some of these guys do is they actually will give away cards from the box that they've unboxed. They'll sell other ones. So there's a few different ways that you can make money. But look at this. There are thousands of views here. And for the most part, you may think that the target audience is younger, but a lot of the people that are interested in this type of content, like type of YouTube channel, are older. They have disposable income. You can put your affiliate links to Amazon in the description of your videos and say, hey, look, if you need any accessories, you want to get your own blaster pack, go ahead and click the link in the description. But these are different ways. And I just want to show you how much that Packers channel makes, it says they're making $2,000 per month. I would venture to guess it's probably a little bit higher than that, but that's still a good amount of money for simply doing unboxing videos and reveals. Now, you don't just have to limit yourself to new videos. You can actually do older videos. So if we think about this real quick, one of the older types of sports cards were Topps, baseball cards, unboxing. And if you can get access to a series from 1995, that's going to be incredibly powerful. So if we look, you can see Topps is still doing different cards. But if we do Topps baseball cards, let's type in 1995. Now, I don't remember if 1995 was a good year for baseball, but look at this, 1995 Topps baseball box unboxing or opening. That had 14,000 views from 2 years ago. 38,000 views. The most valuable baseball cards from 95 to 99. This is pretty cool. This person's not even showing their face, but you can see there are lots of views. Now, I like the blogging and YouTube channel aspect of it because there's more opportunity to make money. You can make money, as I mentioned, with the YouTube Partner Program. So once you get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can do different sponsorships. So a company like Donruss might reach out to you and say, hey, we'll give you 10 boxes to unbox if you feature our name, if you include our name in your video. You can make money with a Patreon. You can make money with different giveaways. You can sell your own digital product. You could say, hey, here are the 10 best places to get the best cards that nobody knows about. You sell that for $5 or $10. That's another revenue stream. And you're not having to go out and fight with people at Target or at Meijer or Walmart, wherever it may be. And you're not spending so much money with hopes of flipping it and making it back. The cool thing with the blog and the YouTube channel is you're only going to spend money on the cards, and you're going to basically make money when people watch your content instead of with the eBay route where you have to hope that this box yields something pricey and that you can turn around and make your money's worth. Just to recap, you could jump on eBay and find and sell cards and flip them. As you can see here, a lot of people do it. In my opinion, a better, more fun way is to start a blog where you're talking about different cards. This blog focuses on rookie cards. You can make money with affiliate marketing. You can make money with having ads placed on here. You can have different sponsorships and things of that nature. The number one way would actually be starting a YouTube channel. You can see there are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views to be had with unboxings and talking about cards. Now that you know all of the different ways that you can make money with sports cards, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.